Now, on rare occasions when retubing is required in fired heaters, that's a very rare opportunity for you, but it's also a great way to do more than just simply replace an aging asset. Because in that situation, you can also significantly slow the tube aging process for years by applying CETEK ceramic coating during the revamp process. The coating acts as a high temperature barrier, limiting the oxygen interaction with the base alloy and slowing the oxidation over time, actually over multiple years. The result is reduced scale formation, you're preserving your wall thickness, and perhaps more importantly, the daily economic value of a stable heat transfer performance for years. So we're protecting the brand new tubes from years of accumulated oxidation, and that creates a sound financial decision for you. First step for us is a thermal bakeout. Fabricators, transportation, there's a good bit of debris that can accumulate on these brand new tubes, not just oils and varnishes and machining residue. After the bakeout, then we're going to do the media blasting. This step is critical for both cleanliness and perhaps even more importantly, the surface profile. Now, there are target conditions that we specify, either SSPC or NACE numbers, based on the service, the metallurgy, and in fact the coating we're going to apply. All that is part of our ITP. Once all that's done, we move the tubes to this coating booth itself, where technicians will use a variety of spray techniques to ensure even coverage across all the available surfaces. As a matter of fact, they'll do wet film thickness during the coating to make sure that we have the right thickness per layer, because the coating is done in multiple layers based on the service. So now we're at the step where the coating's done and we have to go ahead and cure it. We're going to roll that into the oven. We'll be tracking those temperatures. There are no hold points or ramp up, but we do have to hold and maintain those temperatures at a certain level for a certain number of hours based on the coating we apply. Now, after curing, there's a detailed visual inspection. We want to make sure that we have no blisters, no minor abrasions. We'll do a coating thickness measure with the alcometer, make sure that everything's within specification. All those numbers are documented within the quality system, and they go along with the whole traceability obligation that we have. The final step occurs after installation in the fired heater. Certain areas that may not have been accessible during the shop coating would need to be touched up, if you will, in the box itself. So from an engineering standpoint, the objective is very straightforward. We're going to reduce oxidation for years of service. We're going to maintain a predictable heat transfer, which is ideal for operational flexibility in different market conditions. And as a secondary benefit, you'll also be extending the tube life of these brand new tubes, because you're not exposing them to wall loss thickness due to oxidation. So the result is more improved reliability, longer service intervals, and a greater operational flexibility.